What's up YouTube, it's Sofan from TechCycle. In this video I'm going to share you guys an easy way to find parts for your upcoming custom build of your PC, which is give you a great performance under a tight budget. So let's get started. There are a lot of manufacturers like Intel, AMD, ASUS which provide this custom part, but as there are a lot of manufacturers, it is very confusing to get a part which require which is going to give the performance we want under a budget. So in this video I'm going to give you an easy solution for this. Today I'm going to introduce you guys two things. First one is a website and second one is an Android application. So the website is letsbld.com, a website which can be used to build a custom PC. So you can build a custom PC of your own and they are going to give you the budget and they can ship you that. Now we are not going to use that to buy a PC, we are going to use that for another purpose. To find the parts which can give you great performance under a budget, head over to this website letsbld.com. I will leave the link in the description. You can just click that and there will be get started. Just press that and choose the game. There will be game collection, so choose 3 games. The game can be based on your choice or the game you like, just use that. And if you are thinking like I don't need a gaming PC, I just need an editing PC, just know that gaming PC is the performance king. So if you got a gaming PC, it can do everything. It's like that. So choose 3 games. So after that just press pick your price and choose the price you want, and it got 3 options, that is 1000, 1500 and $2000 option. There is only 3 options in this website. So if you are under a tight budget, you can just press $1000 and choose the processor you need, that is AMD or Intel. For this I'm going to choose Intel because there is something to show you guys. I'll share you guys 2 screenshots. You can find the difference between this AMD and Intel. Just look at the game section and the processor section and look at the address bar, that is Intel and AMD section. You can find the difference there. So choose that. After choosing all this, you can configure the PC once more so that these PC match your style, performance and your budget. So after all the configuration, just press overview and you will find all the parts you require for your custom PC build. And if you want, you can buy from them as they are providing some perks with the buying this PC, that is 2-year warranty for all the parts and like that. So you can buy from them or you can just use that parts as a list and buy it from Amazon and build your own PC. Amazon or Flipkart, that's your choice. If you're thinking like the performance of this PC, the PC you built from this letsbuld.com, Linus made a video about this letsbuld.com and he bought a PC from this letsbuld.com. That's the one that introduced me to this website. So Linus shown that he bought a PC which can play Fortnite on the 74 FPS per second, and when he got that and he tested, it can play up to 124 FPS. That is, it can go way beyond that recommendation from their website. So the performance is great. If you are thinking like I can't buy from this letsbuld.com, I need to build PC myself or it is over the budget I can do. So here comes the second option, that is Android application PC Geek. It can give you the benchmark score of all the processor, RAM, graphics card, motherboard, all the sort of things, is all the main thing. And you can use that application to predict the budget of all those parts. It can give the budget in rupees, US dollar or in euro, so it can be used in most of the places, so that's no issue on that. And you can, by using this letsbuld.com and this PC Geek, you are given an head start on your PC build, and you can use both on connection. You can get a PC which is going to give you the performance you need and it's going to be under a budget. And if you need more guide on building a PC, you can follow JC Two Cents and Linus Tech Tips, because they are the one who is doing all those sort of things. And on following them, and you can, by using these two application in connection, you can find a PC. You can build a PC yourself under a budget which can provide you the performance you require, and it's going to be the performance you need. So that's all about this video, guys. If you think this video sucks, hit that button. If you think this video is awesome, hit the like button and stick with us so you find something interesting.